Food is the most important thing for living beings. A food is something that provides nutrients. It contains carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins, fats, minerals. Our body requires energy to do daily life functions, and food is the primary option which provides the same. We get nutrients from food which we eat, and these nutrients are responsible to provide energy to our body. Therefore, to get the energy to complete our daily life tasks, we need food. Simply, we need food to live. Without food, humans, animals, and birds all would die. Food gives us energy to do work. It also makes us healthy and strong. It helps us to grow. To be healthy and active, we should certainly have enough food. But the food we eat should also be safe and rich in all the nutrients which our body needs. Food in excess quantity is also dangerous to our health. We should eat healthy food in a balanced quantity. We should use variety of fruits, vegetables in our diet. A diet that contains all the vital nutrients required to our human body is called balanced diet. Balanced diet is a mixture of vital nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, proteins, fiber. Sufficient and nutritious food that ensures good health is included in a balanced diet. A healthy and balanced diet helps to reduce the risk of diseases and improves overall health. Plants and animals are the main source of food for all the organisms on earth. Food obtained from animals is the main source of protein, which includes fish, milk, meat, poultry, and cheese, whereas plants provide us fruits and vegetables. We get grains and cereals like rice and wheat from plants, which are an important source of fiber, protein, and carbohydrates. We eat different kinds of food. Different kinds of food helps us in different ways. The food which helps us to grow well and build our muscles are called bodybuilding food. Protein is well-known bodybuilding food, such as grams, pulses, milk, meat, fish, eggs are protein-rich food. Fats and carbohydrates helps our body to get energy. The food containing carbohydrates and fats are called energy-giving food. Some food items like butter, bread, potatoes, sugar gives us energy. Vitamins and minerals are known as protective food. They are so called because they help to keep the body healthy by regulating the body processes and helping the body to produce substances that fight with diseases. Green vegetables, fruits and milk protects our body from illness. Some food gives us more energy. They can be stored and used later. Some examples are oil, ghee, butter. They are called fatty foods. Some food items that taste good but are not healthy. These are called junk food. They do not give us energy or protect us from any diseases. They just make us fat. Eating too much of junk food can make us ill and become fat and lazy. It also destroys our digestive system and makes us unhealthy. We should try to avoid junk food. Along with food, our body needs lots of water. It helps to break down the food we eat. It flushes out waste material from our body. We must drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. At last, please do not waste food. The basic need for us to live on earth is food. Every human being on the earth are working hard only to get the food. The rich person and the poor person both are working for the same. The only difference is the way of working and the way of eating.